Okay, so if your bike has the quill stem variant we showed you earlier, then these are the steps you need to follow to fit that stem and straighten your handlebars. So it's a much more simpler affair. We just want to lift up the bars, and then we're going to be inserting this portion of the stem into the hole on the top of the frame there. So in it goes. You might want to come around to the front end of the bike here, wiggle the handlebars as that goes in. Now before we tighten the stem here, it's important to reference the stem, and if we see a dashed line anywhere, that's the maximum in terms of how high we can have the stem. So we don't want to go any higher than that. So considering that, if we're happy that we haven't exceeded that, we can then straighten the stem. And then as with any other stem, we want to make sure the stem is in line with the front wheel so that your steering isn't off. So I look down from the top of the bike, across the top tube and front wheel, and I align the stem. Then with a quill stem, we simply tighten the bolt on the top. And that's how you're going to adjust your stem on the majority of vintage and retro bikes, such as this one.